24th November is around the corner. My wonderful and amazing people. Yul Edochie thought that by delaying the court case that he will scale through. By delaying the court case that he will win. By delaying the court case, he will lure men into returning back to himself. By delaying the court case, some charges will be overlooked. Hey, my wonderful and amazing people. Today, Yul Edochie has cried out to the friends, remembering that the court case was postponed to 24th, and 24th is already around the corner. Hey, weleke. Hi, this Yul Edochie is now regretting. Yul Edochie is regretting totally everything that has transpired between Queen May and him in the court. Everything that led to the courtroom. Yul Edochie is regretting it. He has opened up, telling the friend that he is at fault. He is at fault. That his divorce case is not just an ordinary normal divorce. That husband and wife said, I don't want again. They move into the courtroom and they divorce. That his own is complicated. Hey. That his own court case is complicated. These people, the lawyers of Queen May and even the judge, all they want him is to lock him up in quickly. That he's even afraid at this moment. That is why he wants also to take another permission for this coming 24th of November. Hey, weleke. From the onset of this court case, Yul Edochie has been missing court. Yul Edochie has been, in fact, taking it as if it is not serious. My people, believing that he can take me back. Who does that? My wonderful and amazing people. From the onset, Yul Edochie never believed that this court case will be as serious as it is right now. Because then he thought that he can maneuver things. It didn't work. He now thought that he can frustrate Queen May. And after frustrating Queen May will now have a change of mind. He now vowed to use the court case to frustrate Queen May. On the process of using the court case to frustrate Queen May, he put himself into the mess that he is into right now. He used his hand and gave Queen May evidences upon evidences against him. This is too much, but I don't pity him because he bought the market. Yes, he ordered for it and it was delivered into his hand. Edochie Expøsed is not even the problem of this Yul Edochie and Queen May's divorce case. Yes, it's not. If Edochie Expøsed is the only problem, it will be different. Now, when you check out normal divorce issues in the court between husband and wife, it's only in Nigeria that court case lasts long like this, but not like Yul Edochie's own. Highest 2 years, it is over, or 1 year is over. If there is no issue, some of them 3 months is over, 6 months is over. And it happened in a situation whereby the husband and wife decided that they don't want again. That divorce is always easy. But when it comes to a point that the woman wants divorce, the husband doesn't want divorce, it always take some difficult moments. Because from the beginning of it, the court will still give both of you benefit of doubt, give you people period of time to go and live together. Then they will see if there is some things to be amended or if both of you can reconcile, whereby there is no reconciliation, court will continue with the divorce. But in the case of Yul Edochie and Queen May, it wasn't like that. In as much as Queen May sued and he talked about the issue of adultery, the court say, this is a very powerful evidence to grant you divorce. Then on the side of Yul Edochie said he doesn't want, that it was all a mistake. Now, Yul Edochie right now is regretting why the divorce did not he did not sign the divorce at that initial time, that he would have signed the divorce if he had known that this is the way these things are going to be. My wonderful and amazing people, when Yul Edochie was busy trying to outweigh women, trying to silence women, trying to frustrate women, trying to subject women into a total mental disorder, to subject women into the pre, not knowing that he was there giving them excuses. When Yul Edochie was busy at home at the initial stage, trying to nurture his children into polygamy, when Yul Edochie was even trying to make the children accept Juju Ekwensu as their as his wife, when Yul Edochie caused the issue of domestic violence in the house, a lot of evidences. When Yul Edochie was busy delaying the court case with his absentees, and also the reasons sometimes excuse of no lawyer, no lawyer, no lawyer, all these things lingered the matter. My people, right now Yul Edochie has cried out to the friend. Before I continue this gist, my lovely fans, I will love to welcome you all to watch this video. I greet you all. How are you all doing? And I welcome you all back to our channel, Sjemere. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Sjemere, I beg on you, please, my lovely fans, click on subscription button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sjemere. Like and share our videos, and also on your notification button so that you will be notified when next we drop a new update. And for those of you, my wonderful and amazing followers and subscribers, my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I pray this year 2025 your own will never spoil in Jesus' name. Amen. So my wonderful and amazing people, according to the information reaching us from the table of Yul Edochie, as he cried out to his closest friend, telling his closest friend that the 24th of November is around the corner, that he's looking for another excuse to give to them in this coming 24th of November. Now, his prayer has been for them to postpone this court case. From 10th, they postponed it to 24th of November, when he was expecting another 3 months. They did not give him another 3 months. That what is the essence right now? That he is right now confused and in fear. And court has mandated him to be present in that court that day. How can he use his hand, his leg, his 2 legs, and walk into the court and give himself to the judges for them to go and lock him up for how many years, which he don't know? That he cannot do. He said he cannot. That he must get a powerful excuse, a powerful reason to take permission for absence. He's going to be absent. So the person now asks you, Edochie, why it's like this your court case, you like it? Why is it lingering like this? Why don't you divorce her? Why don't you sign and let every matter end? Yul Edochie told the woman, it is not easy. I don't want to lose her. The man said, but you have already lost her. What do you expect again? He said, no, that he's looking for a way for Queen May to take him back. He wants to be in the life of Queen May. That if he enters into the life of that woman, this rebranding will be just within 2 days that he will rebrand. That woman will help him to rebrand. Even alone, posting her picture, or even people seeing both of them together in a video will speed up the rebranding. But guess what? The woman is not giving him a listening ear. He said that all the strategy that he have put in place to see that this woman return back to him proved to no avail. That because of this, he has abandoned Juju Ekwensu totally. He has left Juju Ekwensu because that one is not even helping matters. My people, Yul Edochie told the guy that had he known that he would have signed this divorce paper long time ago, before all these evidences begin to surface. The guy asked Yul Edochie, What kind of evidence? Why are you afraid of this? He said, by rights, according to what one of his lawyer lectured him on, by rights, he is supposed to enter quickly. But the good part of it is that Queen May did not sue him for bigamy. He now said that not only that, there are a lot of cases against him from Queen May, that he never knew that this will happen. If he had knew, he wouldn't have accepted this from the beginning. That on one fateful day that he was trying to force Queen May to accept Judy, because he wants to do this polygamy. He really wants to do the polygamy. Forget about whatever that you are hearing on the media. He told the person on that process, unknowingly to him, he didn't know when he hit Queen May and pushed Queen May from staircase. So that's one I don't know how he got into the courtroom. That moment, Queen May wasn't with her phone, but the way they recorded this is what he don't know. That it was at the later end, few months ago, that he found out. After proper investigation, he found out that the house help, immediately the incident happened, because there are some of them that has happened before. The house help now had to snap the picture and video them. That is causing kasala in the courtroom right now. Domestic violence. He said that is really causing a lot, because the charges on domestic violence would be another thing that he never dreamed of. So he cannot risk being in that courtroom on 24th. He cannot risk going all alone by himself into the courtroom. That he is looking for a way out. He don't want, in fact, as it is, he's standing alone. He don't want to hand himself over to the judges, because their intention is to lock him up, because evidence is too much. Evidences from the bank, evidences of the adultery, evidences of the domestic violence, so many of them. My people, Yul Edochie opened his mouth and told the guy that the issue of his divorce is not like other divorce, that his own has so many branches. Yul Edochie is speaking, that his own has so many branches that is buying him right now. The guy asks, what do you mean by so many branches? Is it not to dissolve the marriage and give each other rights to marry? Yul Edochie told the guy, that is not the problem. If it is only that, he will not be in fear. He will not be in fear. Now he told you that there is evidence of domestic violence on his head. That is a big problem. And if this information should enter into media, it will become another thing totally. That is why he doesn't want that. My people, Yul Edochie now told the guy that had he been that early time, he just signed the divorce, all these evidences wouldn't have surfaced, that this matter would have died. But guess what? Out of his own ignorance, he never knew that this woman will harden her heart. He never knew. He was thinking that with all those things he was doing then, the Queen May, it will subdue Queen May to the extent that he will not have any option that to come back to him. That at that time he believed that without him, Queen May cannot make it, because he was the only man in his life right from onset. Everything about him, everything about the woman, everything about Yul Edochie, that they started from the scratch. The person now asks, so you know that this woman has taken you far and will continue to take you far and has been standing by you, and both of you work it out together. You know that? He said, yes, of course. That you don't need anybody to tell him. The guy now asks Yul Edochie, then why did you walk away and enter into Judy? He said, no, he wanted to do polygamy. That he wanted to do polygamy. Since the baby of Judy Austin has already come, he said, okay, no need. It's better he marry Judy Austin and also remain with Queen May. That's The way he planned it, nobody would take the position of Queen May. And Judy Austin claimed then that she welcomed it. She's happy. Not knowing that Judy Austin is up to another thing. My wonderful and amazing people, as they continue to discuss, Yul Edochie now asks him that he need another strategy to be absent in the next custody, because he cannot withstand to watch people throw him into cricket. He cannot withstand the lawyers of Queen Edochie. He cannot even withstand everything that is happening around him. My people, he told the man that as it is that he has been returned back to zero level, completely zero level. My people, this is really too much. In fact, the fear is really gripping Yul Edochie that is confessing this way. Anyway, nobody is stopping you from confessing. Yul Edochie, you have to do one more thing, and you forget. One more thing is coming out to the public to apologize to your wife, apologize to your children, apologize to your fans. Then you can go ahead and do whatever you're doing, rebranding. But as for Queen May Edochie, the earlier you remove your mind there, the better for you, because it is obvious that you are not just begging Queen May Edochie for love. Rather, you are begging so that you will be in control of whatever she is controlling now. my people, fear has gripped Yul Edochie for the next court sitting. He think that as they postpone it on 8th, by next court sitting being 24th of November, that thing you will achieve it. Oh, my people, what do you think about this? 24th is also around the corner. Mhm. This is 10th, this is 24th. What is the difference? That same thing is still what they are going to present in the court of law. No two ways about it. My people, drop your constructive opinion on the comment section. Like and share this video. Share as many as you can. See you in my next update. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.